Yeah, and weeds. That's not something though. There's one.
Shoot.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Rick.
That's a good one. Let's go. Oh my God. That's the biggest bass I've caught out of here. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I put my lure right behind those weeds and there he is. Look who's winning now. Holy chunk. Look at that thing. That is the biggest one I've caught out of this pond. Not the biggest one I've seen out of it. Hey, I have a career, okay?
Yeah, me too.
I need a picture of this. Can you take a picture?
I got him.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. There he is. Big boy. I'm gonna say at least 1.5 pounds, maybe 2. Probably, that's stretching it. But that's a good bass right there. Let's get on it.
I hope I catch the tiniest fish in here that's possible to catch.
Got one. Small. Oh, nice.
Look how cute he is.
It's a pickerel.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh no.
It's okay. That was cool. All right.
Look at him. He's so cute.
Okay, buddy, calm down. I don't need a picture with this guy.
Ooh, it's okay. He's cute.
Okay, well, he's really small, but there's my first pickerel out of here. No, not first one. Definitely smallest though. See, there's teeth. You probably can't. They're small on these guys, but they have teeth in the back of their mouth. They got a wide mouth too. All right, we're gonna release this guy. It's fish number 2 for me and 0 for her. Is that a fish?
I don't think so.
Oh,
I think so.
you got a fish.
Please get it.
Okay. Oh, you got him in the fin? What the hell? Okay. All right, it's off the fin. That's good. Oh, and he's off the hook. Yay, Carly. Good job.
Yeah.
Not as big as mine, but
I
it's
don't need a
okay.
picture with it. I just want the picture of the fish. Because I'm so cool, you know? Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So there's fish number 3 for the boat. I'm gonna release that guy.
Look at him. Oh, he's gone, but he's okay.
Fish. Should we?
I hope so. Oh,
It's a fish.
Oh, fishy.
Ooh, look at you. Look at that. There's another bass.
Fishy.
Fishy. No, you're getting a picture with it.
No.
Yes.
I'm stupid.
No, you're not. All right, ready? Put your rod down. Okay, I'll come here. Let me close this. So, just like that, okay?
Like what?
Like this, okay? You're gonna put your thumb in this, like that, and hold tight, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You can't see, but I'm smiling.
Hide my hairy legs. Fishy.
Fishy.
How do I put fish back? Do I just let go?
Yeah.